Hey, good afternoon to you. Chuck here at Pals. Another beautiful day in Florida. Hard to believe it's the middle of December. Anyway, back to the 266 Corvettes. I want to point out some differences to you. So that is the master cylinder in this vehicle. This vehicle does not have a power steering pump. So what does that tell you? That tells you that this has manual brakes and manual steering, which can be uncomfortable, but was very common back when this car was built. We come over here to the black 66 Vet that we constructed, and you can see not only does it have power brakes, but it's got power steering as well. There's a power steering pump down there, and that is so that we can have the power steering on this vehicle. Makes a huge difference in driving the car in having power steering. And as you can see, there's our reservoir right down there. So if you've got a 66 Vet with manual brakes and manual steering, and you want to get that upgraded so you can have that comfort and ease of having power steering and power brakes, bring it to Pals. We'd be glad to convert that for you. I hope to see you soon with your conversion project at Pals.